Hey guys, I'm Maggie from Maggietorials. Today I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks for coloring your hair at home using vivid colors. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to recreate this same look. So let's dive in. Vivids, fashion color, and direct dyes do not penetrate the hair fiber. They actually just lay on top and stain the outside of your hair cuticle. This is why they do not damage your hair and also why they are a more temporary option because they fade with every wash. Want to make your own unique shades or don't want to buy every color in the rainbow? You can create most colors with the primary colors. I always choose a blue, yellow, and red or pink, and from there I create my own shades. Yellow and blue makes green. Blue with a touch of yellow makes turquoise. Red and yellow makes orange. Pink and a touch of yellow, peach. Pink and blue, or red and blue, making purple. And try adding a bit of an opposite color to create a smoky shade. For example, to make a smoky blue, you can add a bit of orange. The ideal tone for fashion color is to have a base level 9 or 10, being very light platinum blonde. Darker and warmer colors can be applied on darker shades of blonde, but for pastel, vibrant, and cool tones, a platinum blonde is required. Today, I'm going to give myself a new look that you can try out and follow at home. First, I'm going to divide my hair in 4 sections, from a middle part all the way back, and then from ear to ear. When applying fashion color, it is especially good to wash your hair first with shampoo and dry, unless the dye you are using specifically states to apply on damp hair. From there, I'm going to apply yellow on the back 2 sections, saturating all the hair that is blonde. I like to start from the bottom and saturate layer by layer. Want to get rid of a fashion color without going through a major bleach session? I recommend taking long, hot baths, soaking hair in hot water, and using a clarifying shampoo, leaving it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this for a couple days until the color has faded enough to be able to try out a new tone. Follow with a moisturizing conditioner. Now, for the front 2 sections, I'm going to use 3 colors: red, yellow, and aquamarine. Now I'm going to divide each of these front sections in 3 parts and apply the aquamarine on the first section. Then the yellow, and then the red. I'm going to repeat this on the other side. And we're finished. Now we just wait 20 minutes to an hour and rinse with cold water. And this is how my DIY rainbow hair color turned out. I hope you guys liked it. If you do try this out at home, please tag me so I can see how yours turned out too. Thanks for watching. Stay colorful.